अब की बार 90 बार. Our Indian rupee has now crossed 90 against the dollar for the first time. This extremely important story won't make it to your TV primetime debates. In just the last 1 year, our Indian rupee has fallen by over 7%. In the last 10 years of the Modi government, our currency has lost about 35% of its value. In 2014, you needed around 60 rupees to get a dollar, but now you need 90. But is this the worst fall we've ever seen? Let's now compare countries. Many say that it's not just the rupee that's falling, but all our peer currencies are also falling against the dollar simply because the dollar's value is going up. But that's not true. You'll be surprised to know that our rupee is the weakest performing major currency in Asia right now. Currencies of countries like China, Thailand and Singapore have actually appreciated. They've gone up in value in the last 1 year while ours is in a free fall. Even the currency of Pakistan, which just came out of an economic crisis, has only fallen by about 1.5% in the last 1 year while ours has fallen by more than 7%. But why is our rupee falling so much? The primary reason is explained by basic economics. When the demand for something falls, so does the price. And the demand for our Indian rupee is falling because foreign investors are cutting their investments in India made in rupees. They're selling off investments made in INR and taking their money to stronger currencies like the dollar. After Trump imposed 50% tariffs on Indian exports, without the stability of a trade deal, foreign investors are becoming hesitant to invest in Indian markets, so they're taking money out of India. And the worst might not be over at 90. Experts say that the rupee is likely to fall even further in the near future.